Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to open any page or any website on your Safari browser, but you're facing a this type issue that you cannot open the page because your address is invalid. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first, you have to double check your website address. So, for example, if you are using any website, so you have to double check the website address that you have entered a correct website address. So, after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be your network issue, so you have to try to refresh your network settings. So, now to do that, you can easily try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go back, open your settings app from here, then go for apps, and from here go for Safari app. And from here you just have to scroll down and you'll find the option of clear history and website data. Select that, select clear history. It will clear all the history on your Safari browser. It will fix if there will be any virus or any junk or any issue in your Safari browser. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that your phone is connected to a VPN. So open your general settings, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that because your VPN affects location-based contents. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, open general setting again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, hotspot, and also including your AirDrop. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.